How to change a back grip. This is worn off. I just rolled it and took it off. Now this is clean. This one I have ordered in Amazon. It's quite cheap, it's not very expensive, but I checked the reviews and it seems to be very good. It came in a set of 3.
How does it feel like without it?
3 different colors, and this is the packaging. There's a small stapler put in here, and this side is closed. I wanted to put this yellow grip for this bat for this season. This is my old GM bat. You could see good marks.
Cricket mark.
Now how to change the grip. Let's go to the subject. So carefully take this stapler off so you could peel it out. You could go back, push it and take it out. And what I did, and cut this closed end. So this is whole. Fold it into few. Feed it from one side to the other side. So open this one, fold it back a bit, put it on the back, and try to feed it in. Bit of rotation.
Maybe be a little bit more strong. Maybe go to the gym more.
Maybe I should go to the gym more as well. As my daughter said. Why?
Do you only go to the gym every Wednesday?
Yeah, that's not enough, isn't it? I should go more.
Oh yeah, but how are you supposed to take the plastic out?
For Marley's question, how are you going to take the plastic off? Leave the plastic
and roll it down. Oh, now I get it now.
I'm going to slice it off.
Huh? What? But how do you take the yellow? Oh, then you cut it off.
Here we go. The bat is ready. I changed the grip. Very nice, isn't it? So simply from this bought in Amazon, the same plastic is used to get rubber grip into the handle. Well done. Good luck if you need to do anything like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.